How to fix the Shein app freezing problem. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the issue Shein application freezing. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the Shein application on your mobile device with its latest version. For that, you have to open the Play Store and then go to the search bar and then type in Shein application. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open button right over here, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. After that, open the system settings. Once it's opened, locate the application or apps section, and once you find it, simply scroll down and search for Shein application, or you can also use the search bar at the top. Once you find the Shein application, click on it and then scroll down and go to storage. Now click on clear cache and also click on clear data. You can also try for stopping this application and make sure that you have granted permissions to everything over here. Now go to the battery section and then make sure that it is set to optimized. Now you just have to come back, try uninstalling this application completely from your device and install this application on your device again. Finally, restart your mobile device and start using. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the Shein application freezing problem. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.